It is the eve before travel day, and look whose stuff is all packed and stuff. Look at that in there.
Don't do that.
Look at that in there.
Don't do that.
Get a good look at it, people.
Don't do that.
Ooh. That thing's sexy. Yeah. Packed, unlike y'all fave. What do you gotta say for yourself?
I was packed.
But then what?
I ordered some more stuff, which I shouldn't have.
So it's like 2 wrongs.
Yeah. 2 wrongs make a right. Remember that.
No, they don't.
They don't? I had that mistaken.
Whoa.
Then what makes it right? Nothing.
Nothing. Not doing the action makes it right. Agree? Y'all agree. So yeah. But I've never packed this early. It's quite shocking. But it was done. And yeah, so we're supposed to do a video now. I don't know if we'll do it now. Let's super cut to Amelia packing her stuff up, and then we'll do this video, okay? Go.
Your words on my mind, they keep me warm. Somewhere we're still one. Somewhere we're still one. I'm a fight in a course, or you tried to start it. You pay, but I'm not done. You pay, but I'm not done. You say you were my baby, but now you call me crazy. You pay, but I'm not done. You pay, but I'm not done. So while I'm in your garden, I need